Hello everyone, this is Mariusz Holda from Holda Construction. I'm in Palatine with Stephanie. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Very good, thank you. So, I'm here because we just finished siding for Stephanie and I love to know your feedback. If you can share with audience, will be great.
We love our new siding. We had cedar siding before and I felt like it was ugly when I entertained back here and the paint was chipping. We had to repaint it all the time. And my husband were like, it's time to do something new. So we went with vinyl, totally different.
So what was a pain point for you? Was definitely not attractive. You were about painting, about the maintenance, yes?
Yes, and I felt like it was just an eyesore. It was chipping and then part of the wood was coming off and it was either replace all the wood, which I didn't want to do,
and definitely
or go with this.
Definitely was time, yes?
Yes, it was time.
And what do you think right now? How it looks like for you? What do you feel? What does it mean for you, new siding?
I feel like I have a new house. I love it. I love it. It looks so updated and I love my windows, the trim around it, and it's just so fresh.
It's great, and thank you so much for choosing this color with the white trim. From my opinion, looks outstanding. So it was your job, and I think you did fantastic choice about the color. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you soon.